I'll play the commercial for you in just a minute, but here we are, just over a week removed from Super Bowl 52, and the commercial that won the highly flawed USA Today ad meter was the commercial for Amazon's Alexa losing her voice. Now, while this ad is very entertaining, it contains some serious flaws, which I'll go over in just a moment. But if you haven't seen the commercial, here it is.
In Austin, it's 60 degrees with a... Alexa?
Amazon's Alexa lost her voice this morning, causing a
Alexa lost her voice? How is that even possible?
We have the replacements ready, just say the word.
And you're sure this is gonna work?
Yeah.
Alexa, show me a recipe for a grilled cheese sandwich.
Pathetic. You're 32 years of age, and you don't know how to make a grilled cheese sandwich. Its name is the recipe, you
Alexa, how far is Mars?
Oh, how far is Mars? Well, how am I supposed to know? I've never been there. This guy want to go to Mars. For what? There's not even oxygen there.
Alexa, set the mood.
Now setting the mood. You're in the bush, and you're just so dirty, and you're so sweaty, because it's hot in that bush.
Alexa, reboot.
Alexa, play some country music.
Oh,
I don't dance now, I make money moves.
No, Alexa, country music.
I be in and out them banks so much I know they tired of me.
Alexa, call Brandon.
I'm afraid Brandon is a little tied up. But do let me know if there's anything I can help you with. Jessica? Good boy.
Thanks, guys, but I'll take it from here.
Alexa has somehow lost her voice. A very funny premise, no doubt. But there's an actual problem with Amazon's Echo and Alexa that is being addressed, but not resolved. There are plenty of videos of people on YouTube trying to get Amazon's Alexa to recognize their speech, and it doesn't.
Alexa,
sometimes the results are hilarious.
play the Brick Love song by the Corries.
And sometimes the results are downright obscene.
You want to hear a station for porn detected. Porno ringtone, hot chick, amateur girl, calling sexy.
No, Alexa, stop!
So in this 90-second commercial for Amazon, they could have taken that time to talk about how they've made Alexa more responsive and she understands more speech now. And it's a flawless product, but apparently it's not, because this commercial simply makes fun of the problems with Amazon's Echo and Alexa and gives you absolutely no reason to buy it. They also mock 3 of the people for simply requesting something via voice search. The guy who wants to know how to make a grilled cheese sandwich, the man who wants to know more about Mars, and the guy who just wants to hear some country music. If you're trying to get someone to buy a $100 piece of equipment, mocking them is probably not the best tactic. And yet they end the commercial by playing the song "Nobody Does It Better." Well, how? Because you didn't address that in this commercial. In fact, you just highlighted all of the problems. But here's the biggest problem I have with this commercial. They're actually promoting something that you cannot buy. All of the celebrities are wearing a headset that mimics the Amazon Echo. And guess what? You can't buy it. Unless they're teasing us for a product launch later this year, it is, at the very least, misleading, and at the very most, fraudulent. Now, don't misunderstand. I'm not saying this is a bad commercial. It's extremely well produced and very entertaining. However, it contains serious flaws, which I just pointed out that the consumer won't realize until they've had to deal with the frustration of Amazon's Alexa not recognizing speech commands.
Trevor, play Oasis. Trevor.
In my opinion, they should have fixed that first. Thanks for watching. My name's Tim Burt.
Trevor.